Dear student, this is another very effective, really helpful video because in this video I'm going to talk about the start and ending of an argumentative article. Now I will be proposing three popular ways to begin an argumentative article and then three ways to end them. So let's see that how you can begin such argumentative article. Actually, you know that your introduction for an article, it should grab attention. It should also introduce the topic and clearly state your opinion. So you may try one of these strategies. The first way is that you may start your argumentative essay with a hook. Hook means that you may begin your article with a question, with a fact, or with a quote. Okay. Now, look at the example. Did you know that over 60% of students believe school uniform limit their freedom? So you can see that this beginning very cleverly has a question and a fact beginning, a very effective way to begin with it. Not only this, it grabs the attention, but also it introduces the topic. The second is freedom is the open window through which pours the sunlight of human spirit. Herbert Hoover. Now this is a quotation, and looking at and beginning with this quotation, we can step towards our own topic. The second way is to begin an argumentative article is to introduce the issue clearly, like the debate over school uniform has divided students, teachers, and parents for a year. So here you are introducing your topic straight in a straightforward way clearly. The third way is that you state your opinion that we call a thesis statement, like I strongly believe that school uniforms should not be mandatory as they suppress individuality and offer no proven academic benefits. So these were the three ways to begin your argumentative article, and I'm sure that by a little practice you can get hand on one of these and can very effectively begin your article. Now let's see that how you can end your article. Now, when we talk about ending the article, so actually it is a sort of conclusion which should reinforce your argument, and then it should leave a lasting impression on your audience as well. So the first way is that you restate your opinion clearly. Whatever you have said, in order to conclude, you restate it in an emphatic way, like in conclusion, school uniform do more harm than good in the modern learning environment. You have made your point again. The other way to end this article is summarize key point briefly, not in detail, right? Look at the example. They restrict self-expression, do not improve discipline significantly, and place unnecessary financial burden on families. So you see that three main points of the articles are summarized in a sentence effectively to end this article. The last way to end this article is to finish it with a strong final thought, like call to action or reflection. How? Look at the example. It's time for school to prioritize comfort, creativity, and student voices over conformity. So you see that a very strong call to action has been given, a reflection has been given to end this article. I'm sure that now you are pretty clear about starting and ending of an argumentative article, and you can pick any idea to start it or to end your article. Thank you very much. Watch my other videos as well. They're really going to help you, and please share your wonderful comments to tell me that are they going to help you a lot, or if there is any particular topic on which you want me to make more videos. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.